Welcome to Tech Prep video tutorials. Today we are going to look at week 1 of solid states. Today let's look at a question from crystal systems. Let's see what the question says. It states in a solid having rock salt structure, if all the atoms touching one body diagonal plane are removed except the body center, then what would be the formula of the unit cell which is left over after removing the atoms along the diagonal plane? Here there is also additional information given wherein there is a component B in the structure which is situated at the lattice points and component A which is filling up in the voids. So let's see what are the options given as well. Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Now we know from the rock salt structure, if the number of atoms contributed by both the components would be 4 each, and if we apply common sense from this structure, let's say a unit cell, we are removing some atoms. When we are removing some atoms, and if the contribution of each component is 4 atoms, then if some atoms are being removed, then it will always be less than 4. So the formula of the left unit cell would be A4 minus X and B4 minus Y. So if we look at that, options B and C and D as well. In options B, A is having 7 atoms. In option C, A is having 5 atoms, and in option D, B is having 5 atoms. Though we always start with 4 atoms, here the atoms are more than 4, which is not the right one. So by the method of elimination, we can resolve this question that A would be the right option, where it is A 3.5 and B 2.5. However, let's see by following the standard method if we arrive as option A if it's the right answer. Okay. So if from this rock salt structure, if we remove the atoms of both the components along the diagonal plane, we get to remove 4 atoms from the corners, 2 atoms from the face center, and 2 atoms of A from the edge center are removed. So let's see what are the contributions, and finally do we arrive at option A as the right answer. So number of B removed is 4 into 1 by 8 plus 2 into half, which is from the corners and the face centers. We arrive at a value of 3 by 2, and for number of atoms of component A, which is only 2 from the edges, which is contributed by 1 by quarter, is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 equals half. So when we remove these atoms from the complete formula A4 minus half and B4 minus 3 by 2, we get A 3.5 and 2.5, B 2.5, which is the right option. So the right answer is option A.